Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. Today I am going to talk about Sunnah sports. In Islamic tradition, there are several physical activities. They were done by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. While these activities are not obligatory, they are encouraged as they promote physical fitness, well-being, and discipline. Horseback riding. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was to have a strong affinity horses. He encouraged horseback riding as a means of exercise and also for military training. Archery. Archery was an important skill during the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He encouraged archery for self-defense and as a way to enhance and concentration focus. Swimming. Their narration and suggests the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam engaged swimming and even himself participating swimming activities. Running. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam engaged running and encouraged physical activity like running. There are accounts of with his running with his wife Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu anha. Wrestling. There are narration and indicated the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam participating wrestling matches, engaging physical activity, stunts and exercise. Camel riding. Just like horseback riding, camel riding was common means transportation during the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Engaging in camel riding and consider physical activities. Finally, may Allah give us ability acts upon these sports. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.